Here is the information on the HQ-GT1 ground mounting system, manufactured by Charmen HQ Mount. The system is versatile. It is suitable for all structures with ANW shape and durable. It can stand up to high wind speeds of up to 300 km per hour and snow loads of up to 3 kilonewtons per square metre. This product performs extremely well on all ground mounting applications, mountains and rooftops alike, so it can be installed in a variety of places. The highly pre-assembled rack avoids small pieces from becoming missing, which saves on time and manpower when installing. This, along with the adjustable base, makes it easy for installation, saving on time and money. Key customers for these would include Unity power owners, EPC companies, installers, distributors, and many more. With structure design according to AS/NZS 1107, JISC 8955, 2011/2017, DIN 1055, a convenient, light and easy installation, durable but light aluminium 6005 T5 material with strong corrosion resistance, and a tilt angle of 60 degrees available means these versatile and quality made products are an easy choice to make. The systems were designed and made with the use of the latest technologies and intelligent software, such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, SM Solver, and SAP 2000. Industry certification for these include a rating level 10 by SGS to the highest level and material testing report, along with 12 years warranty and 25 years duration. Payment terms included are TT and LC, PayPal and Western Union, and they also come with added reassurance of a customer hotline, logistical support, and technical support. Here at HQ, we strive to be the best solar mounting solution provider, and that's why we also offer professional technical support, troubleshooting, comparing and selecting PV systems, performing PV strength calculations, evaluating specifications, offering installation books, and guidance at the installation site if necessary. So all your needs will be looked after by us.